Welcome, finance professionals and AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and its transformative role in fighting financial fraud. As digital transactions grow, so do the threats. Fraudsters are more sophisticated than ever, and traditional defenses often fall short. But AI is changing the game, acting like a digital army of security experts, analyzing millions of transactions in milliseconds. Imagine a system that never sleeps, constantly learning from every attempt and adapting to new fraud tactics in real time. In this video, we'll explore how AI is making finance safer, more secure, and more trustworthy for everyone involved. Let's unlock the secrets behind AI-powered fraud detection and prevention. Financial fraud is a global crisis, with losses reaching $42 billion in payment fraud alone in 2023. The problem is growing rapidly. There's been a 70% increase in sophisticated attacks since 2020, and 1 in 4 people have experienced some form of financial fraud. The types of fraud are diverse, from unauthorized credit card transactions and identity theft to fake loan applications, money laundering, and even insider threats from employees. Traditional rule-based systems struggle to keep up, often generating too many false alarms and missing new fraud patterns. Human reviewers simply can't scale to millions of transactions. That's where AI steps in, analyzing thousands of data points in real time to spot suspicious activity that humans might miss. AI fraud detection uses a variety of techniques to spot suspicious transactions. Anomaly detection models, like isolation forests, flag transactions that deviate from normal patterns, such as unusually high amounts or odd transaction times. Behavioral analysis compares spending habits, locations, and device fingerprints to detect inconsistencies. Network analysis maps relationships between accounts and transactions, uncovering organized fraud rings. Real-time scoring systems evaluate each transaction instantly, combining multiple signals, amount, location, time, and device to calculate a fraud risk score. This layered approach allows AI to catch both obvious and subtle forms of fraud, adapting quickly as criminals change their tactics. AI-powered fraud detection relies on several machine learning approaches. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train models like random forests, which classify transactions as fraudulent or legitimate. Unsupervised learning, including clustering and autoencoders, helps discover new fraud patterns without prior labels. Deep learning models, such as neural networks, can recognize complex relationships in transaction data, improving detection accuracy. Ensemble methods combine multiple models to boost performance and handle different fraud types. Continuous retraining ensures these systems stay effective as fraudsters evolve their strategies. This multi-pronged approach allows financial institutions to stay one step ahead. Modern fraud detection systems operate in real time, processing transactions as they happen. The data pipeline starts with incoming transactions, which are transformed through feature engineering, extracting key details like amount, time, location, and frequency. Machine learning models then score each transaction for fraud risk. A decision engine combines model predictions with business rules to determine whether to approve, review, or block a transaction. This architecture enables instant responses, minimizing losses and protecting customers without causing unnecessary delays. The system's flexibility allows for rapid updates as new fraud patterns emerge. Cutting-edge AI techniques are pushing fraud detection even further. Graph neural networks analyze transaction networks to uncover hidden fraud rings and complex relationships. Natural language processing scans customer service chats and transaction descriptions for signs of social engineering or suspicious activity. Reinforcement learning enables systems to adapt their strategies based on outcomes, learning from both successes and mistakes. Federated learning allows institutions to collaborate on fraud detection models without sharing raw data, enhancing privacy and building collective intelligence. These innovations are making fraud detection smarter, faster, and more collaborative than ever before. Despite its promise, Implementing AI for fraud detection comes with challenges. Data quality is a major concern. Fraud cases are rare compared to legitimate transactions, making it hard to train accurate models. Missing or inconsistent data and information silos across systems can further complicate things. Models must also balance false positives and negatives, adapt to changing fraud tactics, and withstand adversarial attacks. Regulatory compliance adds another layer, requiring explainable decisions, fairness, and strict privacy protections. Continuous learning and monitoring are essential to keep systems effective and compliant in a rapidly evolving landscape. Looking ahead, the future of AI in fraud detection is filled with exciting possibilities. Quantum machine learning could unlock ultra-complex pattern recognition, while homomorphic encryption allows analysis of encrypted data without compromising privacy. Blockchain analysis is helping track cryptocurrency fraud, and biometric behavioral analysis adds another layer of security. Industry trends include explainable AI for transparency, federated learning for collaboration, and real-time adaptation to new threats. As fraudsters develop their own AI tools, the battle will intensify, making ongoing innovation and global cooperation more important than ever. In summary, AI is revolutionizing financial fraud detection by providing dynamic, adaptive protection that traditional methods simply can't match. The key to future financial security isn't building higher walls, it's creating smarter, more responsive guardians that can recognize and respond to threats instantly. Whether you're a financial institution, developer, or student, embracing AI-driven solutions is essential for staying ahead of evolving fraud tactics. By working together and leveraging the latest AI innovations, we can build a safer, more trustworthy financial world for everyone.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.